We have got, from the booth itself, we had numerous speaking opportunities, not to mention having Marcus Weldon as a keynote. We had Dor Schooler really getting, more into the cloud discussion and network function virtualization, very hot topics in the industry right now, and I definitely see those moving forward. Great amount of presence and activities. We had some separate workshops going on within the event. So a lot of different avenues for Alcatel-Lucent to communicate. For Alcatel-Lucent this year at Broadband World Forum, we really wanted to highlight our expertise in ultra broadband, and as a part of that, including broadband transport. So bringing in kind of the IP routing and transport piece of the puzzle, really looking at how we're offering our customers more flexible options for their deployments, how they're going to simplify operations, speed time to market. And if you look at what we were able to show on the booth, no matter where you went on the booth itself, we were touching on those different points. Everything was about how we're helping our customers solve some of their biggest challenges. One thing I would highlight is that we got best broadband product for our fixed, and which was fantastic because we launched the new micronodes here at Broadband World Forum. But we have just had a phenomenal amount of customer interactions. A number of our key customers have been here. Lots of good interactions, lots of good discussions. A lot of interest in what's going on now with the technology, and also an interesting piece is once you have the technology, it's how you improve your customer experience, right? Because that's really more and more customers seeing that as a true differentiator for them. So a lot of interest and good discussions around that as well. There's still a lot going on around vectoring. We obviously had a lot of discussions here around vectoring and where we head forward with GFAST. So I expect you're going to continue to see a lot more discussion around that. A lot of discussion around additional flexible deployment options for our customers to make their life a little bit easier when it comes to serving their end customers, whether it be residential or business. And then also, you've got that emerging SDN, NFV discussion, so the software-defined networking, and as I mentioned, network function virtualization. I think you're going to continue to see more and more discussion around those areas and what they mean to technology and what they're going to mean to our customers' networks, the operators' networks. Well, there's a lot of different things going on based, in the different regions, and from where I sit from a global perspective, seeing what's going on in Asia-Pac and in Europe and Middle East Africa and North America, there's a lot of great opportunity in some of these emerging areas. For example, in Asia-Pac markets. Also, I would say there's still a lot of great opportunity here in Europe, and where we go forward with that in Middle East Africa remains to be seen. But we've got opportunities in regions across around the globe, and I think a lot of it goes back to, again, simplifying their operations, providing them more flexible, customizable deployment options for their network. You're going to continue to see that. But again, I think the biggest thing is going to be some of these smaller markets that have been a little more underserved markets, in the world. Really, I think there's more and more emphasis around how we help move those folks forward with technology and what technology can bring to them.